Hello, Mark. Welcome to our English class.
Hello, Anna. I am ready.
Excellent, Mark. Today we are in a special place. We are in the restaurante.
Restaurante.
Yes, the restaurante. Today we will learn to ask for food, to order simple food.
Okay. Order food.
Exactly. Mark, imagine you are hungry. You are thirsty. Let's learn our first phrase. Listen carefully. I want water. Again, listen. I want water. Mark, repeat after me. I want water.
I want water.
Very good, Mark. Again, students, repeat after me. I want water.
I want water.
One more time, slowly. I want water.
I want water.
Perfect. Now, imagine I am the waiter. I ask you, what do you want? And you are thirsty. What do you say?
I want water.
Fantastic, Mark. You say, I want water. Good job. Okay, now you are very hungry. Let's learn another phrase. Listen carefully. I want pizza. Again, listen. I want pizza. Mark, repeat after me. I want pizza.
I want pizza.
Excellent, Mark. Again, students, repeat after me. I want pizza.
I want pizza.
One more time, slowly. I want water.
I want water.
Perfect. Now, imagine I am the waiter. I ask you, what do you want? And you are hungry. What do you say?
I want pizza.
Amazing, Mark. I want pizza. You are doing great. So, we have I want water and I want pizza. Now, for our last phrase, this is very important. After you get your water or your pizza, what do you say? Listen. Thank you. Again, listen. Thank you. Mark, repeat after me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful, Mark. Again, students, repeat after me. Thank you.
Thank you.
One more time, slowly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now, let's practice all three together. I am the waiter. Hello, what do you want?
I want water.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Very good, Mark. Now again, what do you want?
I want pizza.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you.
Fantastic, Mark. You remembered thank you. Let's review our phrases for today. First, I want water. Mark, say it.
I want water.
Second, I want pizza. Mark, say it.
I want pizza.
And third, very important, thank you. Mark, say it.
Thank you.
You did a wonderful job today, Mark. Remember these three phrases. They are very useful in a restaurant.
I want water. I want pizza. Thank you.
Perfect, Mark. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna. Thank you.